stay tuned. You are going to see how. In this video I am going to be making a massive hair growth oil, so that's what I am going to be making today. I have ala, I have black seed, moringa. I hope you are seeing it. I have moringa here. I have brahmi powder. I have bringraj powder. Are you seeing it? Bringraj powder. So I have neem organic powder. Okay, so hibiscus here. I have a rosemary. I hope you are seeing it. This is dried rosemary. If you have fresh one, you are free to use it. So I have a bay leaves. Okay, so this is it. Bay leaves is bay leaves. If you have the powder ones, you are free to use it. So this is it. I am going to blend everything together. This is normal clove that I normally use. Okay, so we want to add everything in here. You can make sure 1 spoon of black seed. So 1 spoon. Hibiscus. Okay, so this is it. So that one is enough. So this is enough. So I want to turn everything in. Okay, so this is it. So guys, it's time to add the powder. So I want to use this apricot oil. Okay, you can use any types of oil you have at home. Apricot oil. So it's time to add in our olive oil or olive oil. Okay, so we need to stir everything together before keeping it. Okay, but our first we need more. Okay, so we need more oil. Are you seeing it? This is normal boiling water, so I am going to be putting it inside. It's double boiling method. Okay, so I am going to leave it for like 20 to 10 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes. I'll leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes I'll remove it. I'll leave it for 1 day. You can leave yours for like 3 days. I am going to sieve it out tomorrow. I'll leave it to sit here. Short, you all stay tuned. This is double boiling method. Okay, stay tuned. You are going to see how the finishing will look. Okay, so I'll leave it here till tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.